How to renew GoPro Quik subscription. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen to access your account settings. From the menu, select My Account to view your subscription details. Here, tap on Manage Subscription to see the current status of your GoPro Quik plan. If your subscription has expired or is about to expire, you will see the option to renew. Tap on Renew and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. Once the payment is successful, your subscription will be renewed and you will continue to have access to all premium features, including cloud storage, auto import, and enhanced editing tools. Now you know how to easily renew your GoPro Quik subscription. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.